So this is the before, and here's the after, and it's a big difference as far as cable management. It helps clean everything up, but the main reason I got this is because of my son. I don't want him getting in the wires, and at least I want to get a little bit of time if he does get over here, that I can keep him from hurting himself in any way. And this really does do it. I mean, I'm pulling on this thing and it's not coming out. If you want to open it up, there's this dial, and you can bring it to 0, and it's still not extremely easy. You gotta push on it. Well, maybe I'll get it. You gotta push on it to pop it off. So, I mean, there's multiple steps for a toddler or a baby to get in here. Another thing is, I mean, you still have all the wires. It's not super wide, so you only probably have room for a single plug, like row, not a double plug power strip. I tried to put my double plug in here, and it just didn't fit right, and it wouldn't shut correctly. But as far as getting in there, everything in there before, so this is everything from my computer. I have 2 monitors, and it works out great. And there's these slots that kind of help the wires. There are these slots that help the wires route out on both sides. So it does a really good job as far as cable management and child protection. So it's a great cable organizer.